Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear all app data and cache on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Personalized Recommendations. Then select Clear App Usage Data and confirm by tapping Clear. This removes your App Store usage data and recommendations. Next, open Settings, then go to General and tap iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a list of all installed apps. Select the app you want to clear. Tap Offload App, then Confirm. After the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App. This removes temporary app data and cache while keeping your documents and settings intact. Unfortunately, iPhone doesn't include an option to clear the cache and data for all apps at once. If an app still takes up too much space after offloading, you can delete the app completely and reinstall it from the App Store. Keep in mind that deleting an app may remove its local data unless it's backed up or synced to iCloud. So that's basically how you can clear all app data and cache on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.